We haven't had Thanksgiving yet, have we?
I had somebody yell at me, screaming, "You turkey!" But
well, that's driving in Atlanta. Yeah. All right. Well, listen, we are going to be true to our word and keep it short tonight.
Yeah.
We appreciate everybody's patience, everybody's support, everybody's positive energy. All you guys have been phenomenal, fantastic. We were just talking the other day, and Tim, in Australia, this includes you. Without you guys, without you, think we would not have come up this far with this good of stuff.
Yeah.
So we just appreciate all of your involvement.
All the feedback has been great.
We promise that we will not slack off, as tempting as it is, and we will keep pushing and get this stuff to you. And we just want to tell you guys thank you. If there's any last minute questions, we'll field them. Otherwise, you can see Hutch is burned out. And I'm fresh because I took a little break just before the broadcast with my little boy, and we did our Sunday night ritual of going out for Jersey Mike's tuna fish sandwich.
The donga needs food, yes.
You know, it's kind of fun when you go out with your little kids, because when they're bigger, sometimes they're not as sweet. But and one of them goes, "This is the best sandwich of all time," and that's what he says. It's just, it's very gratifying. So.
Well, Jersey Mike's subs are pretty good.
Oh, I tell you what.
I'll give you that.
Mike's way. He knows how to do it.
No question.
Anyway, if we're on our way to CES next week, then there won't be a broadcast on Sunday, but we will definitely give you guys an update.
Yep.
And Mr. DeCosta, I will contact you via email or Skype over the next 2 days. Please be patient, though. Tomorrow is we're packing and preparing everything, and that gets really crazy when that happens because we're always double checking and double checking and double checking. We have a lot of little details that go into the items that go in the boxes, and we don't like losing something or leaving it out. So we stay pretty focused on that. And there you go. Same thing. It just gets real busy. So it might be late in the day or even as late as Tuesday before I get to you. And so thank you. I really look forward to meeting you, though, and working with you, actually. We've got a tremendous amount of knowledge and experience. So I'm dying to share with you what I've got in development, because you're one of the guys that I know is going to give me some really meaningful feedback on that
stuff.
So yeah, for sure. Anyway,
less music. I will send you the print files right after this. Just know that they're a little rough. So and we never really got to finishing those particular mounts 100%, where we were saying the one of the mounts needs to be collapsed a little bit because of how much
he's a professional. Give him what you got.
Okay.
And we'll send you the step files so you can stock them up and then Rhino cat away.
Yeah. Do whatever you like.
They work fine for me. He might have some other goal, but we're talking about the mounting brackets for the embedded air filter.
Mm-hmm.
So.
All right. Oh, last good quick question from Eagle and J. Is there a site for the file dump yet, or are they all on the hard drives? The files by themselves, as of right now, heck, I don't have no problem putting it on a Google Drive and then sharing it with everyone. But in this
Google, it probably is not the best idea. You know what? We will solve that problem this week. I think we will enlist the help of our good friend and partner in Shenzhen, Tide.
Yes.
Mr. Tide Lin has been invaluable to us. Without him, again, it would have been nearly impossible to make this kind of progress. It would have been. And he's been a fantastic guy. I love the guy. Mm-hmm. I'm hoping someday to sell this company for $1 billion to give half of my share to him. I love the guy.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, Uncle Sam will take that half, so he won't get anything, but, that's the way it goes. I do hope that this is a meaningful relationship for him. I really respect and admire the guy. Really
Same
do.
Here.
So. Okay, we will take care of a repository that's been on my list, and it will have a place for you guys to download the standard stuff we print. And I think we're going to leave a way for you guys to upload files and share them.
Yep.
It's not going to be Thingiverse, so it's more going to be like
almost like GitHub or Dropbox or something like that to begin with.
So everybody works on a URL-based system. I've done it before. Well, we'll think about it. Right now, we'll put our files up for you. It won't be long. We have a system we've been toying with.
If we did that, I mean,
I know.
okay,
I know.
okay.
We'll work with that.
All right.
The plan is to put more people on. And one of the first guys we'll get will be a software person who can maintain a GitHub and to maintain repositories for us, so that because you can't just put that up, it's got to be maintained by somebody.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, it's a very time-consuming task. So we'll get someone that's capable of doing that and wants to do it, and we'll embrace it, and that'll be a good thing.
But I mean, something like that, Carl. I mean, never mind.
I know.
We'll
Don't
talk
get excited.
afterwards.
It might be a good idea.
Sorry. No. It's a great idea.
All right. Well,
guys.
again, a million thank yous
you,
to
guys.
everybody. Blessings on you. Have a safe and happy New Year. If you drink and you need a ride, call Hutch or me. We'll do whatever we can to get a taxi for you. We want you guys to live through the next year so you can play with our printers.
Yep.
And your printers. So, and just spread good cheer.
That's right.
All right.
All right, guys.
Good night.
Good night. All right.